Yeah.
How are you going to celebrate?
Hopefully my dad takes me out to